Uy, murang imported items dito sa May Kawayan. Pag fake, triple money back guaranteed. Yung mga kanausam nyo bang nalaman ko? Kami nabad pa din sa 57F Peso Street, St. Michael Subdivision, Pandayan, May Kawayan, Bulacan para bumisita sa Pinay Shopping Galore. Yes, original branded items, no fake items ha. 50 to 70% off ang sale tapos triple money back guaranteed if fake. Marami ka mabibili dito. Katulad ng Uniqlo shirts from 590 to 495 na lang. Adidas, Reebok, Polo Club, Jag as low as 495 pesos at slides na Under Armour at Reebok as low as 495, apparel from Thailand na pants, skirts, elephant pants na iba't ibang design sa pagpipilian as low as 395 pesos. Under Armour, Skechers na running shoes as low as 995 pesos, basketball and stylish shoes from Nike, Adidas at iba pa. Meron din dito mga oversized shirts from Apple Pie Thailand, Playboy, Puma at iba-iba pa. Mga pabango na Victoria's Secret, Jovan at Encanto as low as 595 pesos, lotions from Bath and Body Works as low as 595, watches from US like 9 West, Casio, G-Shock, Technomarine and Anne Klein. May mga bags din na backpacks from different brands, body bag and tote bags, shoulder bags from US and Thailand, luxury bags from Michael Kors and DKNY, skincare, inhaler and makeup from Thailand and Japan. O diba ang mura? Kung pupunta kayo, this is their operating hours. O ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Pinay Shopping Galore sa May Kawayan, Bulacan. Let's go!